Just put the bag on the broom and you'll never have this kind of personal problem again. Look, you who live alone and every time you go to sweep your house and this kind of problem happens here, I'm going to teach you a way to never ruin your brooms again, okay? Using just one bag, and you're going to put it in this way. And look now, guys, that's it. Just tie it up like this and look how easy it is. You won't ruin your broom anymore and it'll be easier to pull out. Look at this, guys, and this is the new broom, and this happens if you don't do this method here. And if you have access to these towels or these props at home, you can find them very easily in the pharmacy, okay? You can put them on your broom. This, guys, will make it much easier because it pulls up all the dust. Look at this, guys. And as it's disposable, you just have to take it out and throw it away now because it gathers. Everything in these little towels, people, is very easy.